Life is a journey, and every journey has its signs. These signs, they tell stories of transformation, of growth, and sometimes of the profound shifts happening within and around us. In the grand tapestry of existence, we are but threads woven into the fabric of the cosmos, each of us carrying a unique resonance, a unique purpose. And amidst the chaos and the clamor of our world, there are whispers, subtle and yet profound, telling us of a great unfolding, a splitting of realities, unseen yet unmistakable. What does it mean, this splitting of realities? What are the signs that herald its arrival? And in the midst of it all, where do we find ourselves? These questions, they beckon us to explore deeper, to gaze into the mirror of existence and see beyond the veil of illusion. In the grand symphony of existence, the dance of energies orchestrates a cosmic ballet that transcends the boundaries of time and space. At its core lies the pulsating rhythm of the earth, a heartbeat that resonates with the very essence of creation. This rhythm is not static but fluid, an ever-evolving tapestry of vibrations that weave through the fabric of reality. Each dawn heralds the awakening of these energies, as the sun casts its golden rays across the horizon, infusing the world with the warmth of its embrace. The trees swayed in response, their leaves rustling in harmony with the gentle caress of the wind. It is a dance of communion, a sacred exchange between earth and sky, as the elements merge and meld in a symphony of sound and motion. But the dance of energies is not confined to the natural world alone. It permeates every aspect of existence, from the microscopic to the cosmic. It is present in the swirling galaxies that spiral through the void, in the shimmering auroras that dance across the polar skies, and in the intricate web of life that connects all living beings. As we attune our senses to this cosmic ballet, we begin to perceive the subtle shifts occurring within the Earth's core. It is as if the planet itself is breathing, inhaling the essence of creation and exhaling the remnants of the old. This breath of life infuses every atom, every molecule, with the vitality of renewal as the cycle of birth, death, and rebirth continues unabated. In the dance of energies, we find solace and inspiration, a reminder of our interconnectedness with all of creation. For in the midst of chaos and uncertainty, there is beauty and grace, a timeless rhythm that echoes through the corridors of eternity. And as we dance to the melody of the cosmos, let us embrace the wonder and majesty of existence, knowing that we are but a small part of a much larger symphony. The awakening within is a profound journey of self-discovery that transcends the boundaries of time and space. Deep within the recesses of our being lies a dormant seed, a spark of divinity waiting to be ignited. This seed carries within it the potential for infinite growth and expansion, yearning to break free from the shackles of the egoic mind. As the energies of the earth shift and realign, this seed begins to stir, sending tendrils of consciousness reaching out into the vastness of the cosmos. It is a gradual unfolding, a gentle unfurling of petals that have long been closed. In the quiet moments of meditation and introspection, we feel the stirrings of this awakening, like a distant echo calling us home. This awakening is not a sudden event, but a gradual process of remembering, of reawakening to the truth of who we are and why we are here. With each passing moment, we peel back the layers of illusion that have obscured our vision, revealing the radiant light of our true nature beneath. It is a call to remember our interconnectedness with all of creation, to recognize ourselves in the eyes of every living being. And as we heed this call, we begin to align our thoughts, words, and actions with the higher purpose that guides us, stepping into the flow of divine grace with each passing moment. In the awakening within, we find liberation from the bondage of the ego, a return to the source of all creation. It is a journey of self-transcendence, of moving beyond the limitations of the individual self to embrace the boundless expanse of universal consciousness. As we awaken to the truth of our own divinity, we become vessels for love, compassion, and wisdom, shining beacons of light in a world shrouded in darkness. And as we walk this path of awakening, we inspire others to do the same, creating a ripple effect that reverberates throughout the cosmos. The signs in the outer world speak volumes about the intricate dance of energies unfolding in the cosmos. Nature, with its myriad expressions, serves as a canvas upon which these signs are painted, offering glimpses into the deeper currents shaping our reality. From the gentle rustle of leaves to the majestic roar of thunderstorms, the earth itself becomes a storyteller, weaving tales of transformation and renewal. In the upheavals of nature, we witness the raw power of creation unleashed, the wildfires that rage across vast landscapes, the hurricanes that sweep through coastal regions, and the earthquakes that shake the very foundations of the earth. These events are not merely random occurrences, but manifestations of the deeper forces at play, reflections of the shifting energies that course through the planet. But the signs of transformation are not limited to the realm of nature alone. They are also evident in the affairs of humankind. We see it in the crumbling of old institutions, the rise of new paradigms, and the growing unrest that simmers beneath the surface of society. It is as if the collective consciousness of humanity is awakening to a new way of being, shaking off the shackles of the past to embrace a future filled with infinite possibility. In the heavens above, the signs are writ large, written in the language of the stars and planets. From the alignment of celestial bodies to the patterns of the cosmos, these signs speak to us in the language of symbolism and synchronicity, guiding us towards a deeper understanding of the cosmic dance unfolding around us. In the signs in the outer world, we find reflections of our own inner landscape, mirrors that reflect back to us the truth of our interconnectedness with all of creation. And as we heed these signs, we align ourselves with the flow of divine grace, embracing the unfolding journey with open hearts and open minds. Embracing the shift is an invitation to surrender to the currents of change, to embrace the transformative energies sweeping through our world with open hearts and open minds. In the face of monumental upheaval and uncertainty, it is natural to feel fear and resistance. Yet, amidst the chaos, there exists a profound opportunity for growth, for evolution, for the birthing of a new paradigm. At the heart of this shift lies a choice between clinging to the familiar comforts of the past or stepping boldly into the unknown terrain of the future. It is a choice between love and fear, between unity and division, between stagnation and growth. And as we stand at this crossroads of history, we are called to summon the courage and resilience needed to navigate the uncharted waters ahead. To embrace the shift is to release the grip of the ego, to surrender the illusion of control and surrender to the flow of divine grace. It is a humbling acknowledgement of our interconnectedness with all of creation, a recognition that we are but small threads woven into the vast tapestry of existence. And as we relinquish the need to grasp and cling, we find ourselves carried effortlessly by the currents of the cosmic river, guided by the wisdom of the universe. In embracing the shift, we are invited to cultivate a spirit of openness and curiosity, to approach each moment with a beginner's mind. For in the midst of chaos, there exists a hidden order, a deeper purpose that transcends our limited understanding. And as we surrender to the unfolding journey, we discover within ourselves a wellspring of resilience and strength, capable of weathering any storm. Finding our true north is a soulful journey of self-discovery and alignment with our deepest values and aspirations. In the tumultuous currents of life, it serves as a guiding light, a beacon of wisdom and clarity amidst the chaos and confusion. At its essence, finding our true north is about reconnecting with the core of our being, with the essence of who we truly are beyond the masks and identities we wear. In a world filled with distractions and noise, it is easy to lose sight of our true purpose and direction. We may find ourselves swept along by the currents of society, drifting aimlessly from one experience to the next without a clear sense of purpose. Yet deep within the recesses of our souls, there exists a compass that points unerringly towards our true north, towards love, compassion, and unity. The signs are all around us, if only we have the eyes to see and the ears to hear. The earth is splitting, yes, but it is also birthing, evolving, ascending. And in this great cosmic dance, let us find solace in the knowing that we are not alone, that we are part of something greater than ourselves. For in the end, it is not the destination that matters, but the journey itself, and the souls we meet along the way.